Date is December 3rd, 2012. Vehicle came around the stop sign, made the turn. There are tire marks on the road. Not sure if you can see these or not. They're pretty light. Vehicle comes up this direction, makes a turn toward the house. There's the fence that is down. There's the left tire mark. There's the right tire mark. Crepe myrtle been pushed over. Hole in the fence. Vehicle comes forward. Keeps moving forward. You can see the tire rut in the yard here. And it is approximately 10 feet from this bedroom window. Keeps coming around. The fencing here is from a previous repair that had been piled up. The truck, as I understand it, got stuck on top of this and could not go any further.